All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2018 Ford Focus. It is the SE hatchback model. This beautiful charcoal gray with black cloth interior, alloy wheels, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, got backup camera, 32,000 miles in this vehicle, and best of all, minimum damage on the body, your front bumper. Looks pretty good. Your front grille does have a cracking here about 2 to 3 inches. Your hood looks pretty good. Your fender looks pretty good. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. Does it have some curb and some dirt? No, we look pretty good. In your tire thread is just under 730 seconds. Let me double check that. That's correct. Somebody's at 6.5 or so. Doors look pretty good. This quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Let's check out your tire thread, which is over 730 seconds. Here's a nice shot of the roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, your front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Let me jump into this vehicle, turn it on for you guys. It does come with 2 key fob combos and owner's manual. Let's check out pictures for more details. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. You got your backup camera. Boom. Got your AC controls right down below. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument console looks like. You see no lights on or any issues in your mileage of, I can get it in there, 32,673. Pretty much completes the tour for in here. Looks good. Keep it moving. Open up the trunk. Of course, your rear passenger seat, what that looks like, no holes, no tears, no rips, looks good. Coming around, rear bumper looks pretty good. Deck lid looks good. Rear trunk space and what that looks like, pretty big and spacious. There is a spare tire here with some tools. Keep it moving. This quarter here looks pretty good. Here's a rear passenger rim. Does have some curbing here, about about an inch. Tire thread, over 730 seconds. This door looks pretty good. Does have a dent here, about 2 inches, PDR work. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips, looks good. Front door here looks good. Front passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips to that one. Front fender looks good. Front passenger rim looks good. I don't see any curbing there. Your tire thread, just under 730 seconds. That chippy. A little chippy on the fender there. I didn't turn on the lights, I guess. All right. Lights are working, folks. Car is on. Things are beautiful, folks. Once again, a 2018 Ford Focus SE model with 32,000 miles. Any questions, concerns? Don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.